Alright, Wayne's coming over today to look at the generator. It is Saturday morning. I did not upload today, or yesterday for today. I have a video, I just haven't finished it because I had to do a lot of work outside. You'll see it in the video, I guess. So I'll be back shortly. I'm going to run into town. I made some measurements. I think I want to make a shelf in the middle. So I have two shelves. I have a way of hinging this. I need a piece of wood. And I think I have this all figured out to make something happen with that. I'm going to see if I can find a piece of wood though first. Also, this couch is very uncomfortable. Either thinking of finding a different couch for here. I don't really plan on having anybody sleeping over, so do I need a couch here? That could be a nice big area for a work center. I'm thinking about it. I'm not going to do anything right now until I save some more money up. But I might have some. I'm going to come up with some ideas with that. Another thing is this chair here, which does recline. It'd be good for somebody that's like less than 5 foot. You can see I have all my junk laying on it. I don't use it. I'm thinking about getting a regular recliner for here, but I can just move around wherever I want. I can, when the slide's open, I can put it right here and watch TV. That would take place of the couch. I also consider taking this half of the dinette out to just this bench and putting a better chair there to use the. I can use the table for eating and for all my, recording and everything, all the stuff I'm doing online right now. Well, it's Sunday morning now. Haven't really done much recording wise. Wayne did come over. He thinks it's my voltage regulator, which was my first suspicion, but I did, as you heard in my video, I leaned away from that. It is a pretty expensive part. Pretty much the tracker is going to be paying for the generator, which I'm okay with. And he's going to give me a call beginning of the week here when he finds out what he finds from the company that makes the dinosaur parts for the older RVs. Those parts have come highly recommended by many people for these RVs. So I will let you guys know what happens with that. 68 degrees today, sunny. Basically the same thing every day. And I'm going to go either for a walk, a bike ride, or a ride. Just see what's going on around. Maybe I'll take the tracker out for a little bit, see what's going on. See how it's running. Actually, I think I'm going to take the tracker because I still haven't found a piece of wood. I'd like to get that done. I'd like to get it done today, or at least get a good start on it. And find like a small piano hinge. That would be great. Man, look at all that wood over there. Just what I need. One piece, that's all. Just one. Sorry, dude. Oh, it's gotten a little busier around here.
Our country is under financial assault like I've never seen before. The national debt exceeds $35 trillion, and still worse, countries around.
In fact, I think some of these people, they look like they're really set up to go camping there. This is not a camping area, this is parking. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots taken over. That's why it's a parking area, not a camping area, because they get so busy here. Oh, I got a chance to fool out right now. That Mercedes is sweet. Idaho. I've seen a couple Alaskas. There's Ontario, Texas, Massachusetts, Quebec, California. One thing you don't see much of is Arizona around here. Georgia, South Dakota, lots of South Dakota, in California. Alright, let's get that light. I don't want to get stuck behind the fifth wheel. I should have figured you can't just buy a small piece of plywood here. They have like 2 or 3 different sizes, thicknesses, and they're all 4x8. Really, I could take a pallet and take it apart and use the pallet boards to make what I need. Though I do think I have this crazy feeling that inside of one of my belly storage compartments that goes the whole way through, I had some spare wood in there, like cut off pieces. I might be able to make work. I'm going to look for that when I get back. There's nowhere else to go and buy wood around here. At least not within a reasonable distance for me. Like, I'm not going to go to Blythe or Yuma or wherever. Oh, Silly Alice, 1 o'clock. Silly Alice is packed. I'm glad there's no need for me to go back there for anything. I had my beats, I was happy. That would be like if I come here every year, I'll probably eat it once. But every time I go by, I look to see, like, maybe there's a better time to go, better time of day. And I just did it again. I didn't even look at the yacht club. I might not go there. I do have some one-bys in here, but there's only enough to do about half of it, so I'm going to go for a ride on a bike. I was going to walk, and then I was like, I looked, and there's just so many new places. It'll be faster on the bike. Plus, there's a woman here that needs me to look at her door on her RV, on her door lock. So I'm going to do that and come back and look at her lock. We got a piece of wood I can make work for $5. It's not going to be easy to get back. That pretty much wiped me out for the day. Carrying that 8-foot piece of 3/4 inch plywood that's 20 inches wide from one end of the show to here. The bike kept wanting to fall over. I ended up holding the thing on my shoulder, trying to walk the bike, and I'm exhausted. I will take a break and I will get back to it. What I'm going to do is sit here and think first. What exactly how I'm going to build that. I have some good ideas, and I found some good ideas while I was walking around looking. Well, I can't sit here too long because I need hinges. I already forgot that. I need hinges and a way of securing it closed. Which I do have monkey magnets. I'll probably just use those for securing it closed. They work well. I can put 2 or 3 on there. I don't want to put too many because then it'll get hard to open. But I am going to go see if I can find a piano hinge. I'm going to take a measurement. I'll be back. Got some hinges. Before it gets dark, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. So that's basically what it's going to be. There'll be 2 hinges up here. This whole thing is going to pull up. The TV is going to be mounted right here. This is the old TV frame, so it kind of gives it that vintage look too. Alright, it's in. Opens up. Is it straight? Probably not. Is it pretty? Probably not. Do you have to look at it? No, I just keep it out of the I'll keep it away from camera shots if I can. Will it do the job? Yeah. I want to put a shelf right in there with the excess wood. This is good. This is heavy though. I'm wondering, should I find a shock to put on here? I might do that. Some kind of shock that's not too strong so it doesn't pop open while I'm driving. And that there is the final way it's going to look. What do you call it? That's it. So I can hook my cameras into there and watch live TV if I'm in reception area. That's way better than that old one, plus all that storage inside. Well, I think that's it for me today. I'm really happy with what all I've got done. Finding a piece of wood for $5. Couldn't beat that. Now I got an empty spot over here. I can either throw a picture up here, or I could really put a shelf right across there with a lip in the front and like some plastic organizers. Totes, little totes. I might do something like that. I don't know yet.